In today's video, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide on how to fix OneDrive sync errors quickly and efficiently. Here's how to fix OneDrive sync errors. Firstly, find the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. This icon indicates OneDrive's status and provides direct access to its settings. Next, click the OneDrive icon to open its pop-up window, then click the gear icon. This takes you to the main settings menu for OneDrive. Now, click Pause Syncing, if that option appears, to temporarily halt any ongoing transfers. Then, click Quit OneDrive. This action completely shuts down the OneDrive application and its background processes, which often helps clear minor glitches. Click the folder icon on your taskbar. This opens File Explorer, allowing you to browse your computer's files and folders. In File Explorer, find your OneDrive folder. It's usually listed under Quick Access or This PC. Right-click on the OneDrive folder and select the option to Start OneDrive. This step is important as it ensures OneDrive is configured to launch properly, especially after you've quit it. Click the Start button, Windows icon, type OneDrive in the search bar, and select the OneDrive application from the search results to open it. This manually relaunches the OneDrive application. After completing these steps, OneDrive will restart, and this often resolves common sync issues by giving the application a fresh start. If the problem persists, you can try repeating, pausing, and quitting OneDrive to fully reboot the application once more. Thank you for watching this video.